Presenting the Oak by Coulter Homes. Located in idyllic Canopy Creek, this one-story single-family home has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3 half-baths, and a 3-car garage. The main living area includes the clubroom and dining room with wide-open space for entertaining, coffered ceilings, and tile floors throughout. The large kitchen is ideal for hosting and preparing those special dishes. The key ingredients in this kitchen include a large island with a breakfast bar, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The grand windows of the master bedroom overlook the pool and lanai. An oasis can be found in the master bath with a generous walk-in shower including tile from floor to ceiling, dual vanities, and a large walk-in closet. The second and third bedrooms provide a comfortable space for family or guests. The outdoor living space provides ample reason and room to enjoy your day poolside or spa-side while taking in the nature, preserves, and trails nearby. Canopy Creek is located in beautiful Palm City, which is convenient to downtown Stewart and less than 30 minutes from the Palm Beaches. Canopy Creek is a gated community home to gorgeous estates situated on half-acre plus home sites. The Creek Club is the social centerpiece of the community, featuring a state-of-the-art fitness center, a resort-style pool and spa, kids' playroom, gathering room, and kitchen for events and parties. Next door are basketball and tennis courts for a friendly game with neighbors. Make Canopy Creek your home today.